let's decode what these key announcements that were made by US President Trump after the Supreme Court hearing. Now, the first move was, of course, the new 10% global tariffs that were imposed under Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974. Now, this essentially means that despite the fact that the US Supreme Court struck down the previous reciprocal tariffs that US President had imposed, he immediately chose to impose now new 10% global tariffs. Now, the next key announcement that was made, of course, was invoking these 10% tariffs for the serious trade deficits or currency depreciation of the US economy. And of course, however, a key thing to note about this fresh tariffs that were imposed is that it limits the maximum rate of tariffs to 15%, and it's a temporary tariff that can only be imposed for the next 150 days. However, this was one of the fastest and quickest options that the US Team Trump essentially had. Now, the next move that was imposed was, of course, the tariffs under Section 232, which will now remain in place. This is part of the Trade Expansion Act of 1962. It affects imports that threaten US national security. Now, US President Trump has in various occasions said that the various nations have been exploiting the US economy, and now it's a national security issue for the United States. This act will now be used to impose tariffs, the existing tariffs on steel and aluminium, which was 25% and 10% respectively. Now, the next move that he essentially imposed was the Section 301 of the Trade Act of 1974, where now fresh investigations have been initiated. Now, this is going to be a tool which the US President will use to address unfair trade practices. However, a key thing to note here is that this act requires a formal probe by the US Trade Representative and the US Trade Department. So, we're going to have to see, it's not going to be a immediate impact. Now, the last point here is that this is going to be used, it has been used previously, I beg your pardon, against China for intellectual property issues. So, these are some of the key highlights of the US President Trump.